regarding everything you wanted to know about Club Factory. I had made one video about how you can get refund from Club Factory, and I get so many comments and questions on that video, like how to change my address, how to do this, how to do that. So I thought, why not make a detailed video explaining everything for once and for all. So let's begin with logging into my account. And before I show you anything of how to do this, how to do that, I'll show you how you can get discounts, because many of you ask me how to use invite code and all that stuff. So let's see that first. This is my invite code, and this is applicable only for new users. Once you register, you get the option of using an invite code. If you use this invite code, you will get discounts of up to ₹500. And I have a special discount code for the Black Friday sale that is going on the site from 19th to 22nd November. You can use this existing customers as well and get huge discounts. Now I'll show you how you can get free gifts with each of your order. As you can see, you can get these products for free. All you need to do is share these items with your friends and then get the required number of likes. Once you are done, then you need to proceed to purchase. You need to buy something worth at least ₹200, and then you will get this gift as free. So this is a very small trick in which you can get free products, because I believe whenever we place an order, it is obviously above 200. So it's better that you get a free product than get nothing. Now let's come to setting your country and currency. You see the Indian flag on the top left corner. You can click on that and set your country and currency. This square box on the top right will show you your notifications. Coming to the flash sale section, well, the products here are very lowly priced, and they are so only for a definite time duration, like for 2 hours or 3 hours. So if you want something at this price range, you need to purchase within that time period. While scrolling down through the homepage, you'll notice there are many offers like 70% off, 80% off on the homepage itself. So check out all the offers before you make your final purchase. Now let's come to the next tab, that is categories. Here you will find all the products divided into categories as it should be, and it will be easier for you to search for a particular product. Now coming to the social tab, if you have purchased something from here, you can upload a photo or a video of it and it will be displayed in the social tab. Now I'll move on to the most important section, that is my account. This is how my account looks. Let's move on to our orders and find out what are the options that are possible there. As we can see, with a particular order, there is always a tracking link. So to know what is the current status of your order, click here. Unpaid order is one where you have tried to check out but the payment has failed. So I am showing you how that happens here. I have taken this random item in my cart and now I'll proceed to check out for this one. So this is the payment gateway. Please take a screenshot of this for those who ask what are the payment methods. If you're from India, these are the only payment methods that are accepted. So I won't complete the payment process. I'll just go back, and hence this order will come in the unpaid order and will give me the option to pay again. Guys, please be extremely careful while you're trying to contact Club Factory. There are only 2 genuine ways, which I'll let you know in the video, but there are many numbers enlisted in the internet which are fake. If you call them, they are persons posing as agents, and they will ask like your debit card information, and instead of giving you a refund, they will withdraw money from your bank. So please be careful. Any refund that has been initiated will either come back to this balance icon that you can see here, or it will go back to your original mode of payment. All the things that you browse through are maintained in a history, and if you click on recently viewed, you can find all those items. You can also wishlist an item for future reference. To do so, just click on the heart that is there on the bottom left, and the item will be added to your wish list. For those of you who check out as a guest and do not register, if you need to cancel your order or need anything related to order, then use this find my order icon first, and then you can proceed with return or exchange or anything you require. Now let's click on the support icon and see what options we get. So here are the facts, and if you have any query related to any of this thing, order, shipping, payment, there will be information that can solve your query, but still I'll give you a gist so that it's helpful for you. This is the only and official phone number through which you can contact Club Factory. The remaining are bogus and will extract money from you. Also, you can contact them through chat support. You need to click on the support center that is highlighted in blue here. Once you do that, then you'll be able to chat with one of their representatives, and you may attach pictures as well to support what you are claiming for return, refunds, etc. Coming to some questions that are typically asked about orders, like when will I get my order? So it takes minimum 15 and maximum 30 days for your order to reach you. If you haven't received within that period of time, please contact Club Factory. Now, how should I cancel an order? Now, this is very simple. If your order hasn't yet been shipped, you can just go to your order and select the cancel button. But if your order has been shipped, then the only thing that you need to do is contact Club Factory and follow whatever they tell you. Next, how can I change my address or contact details? To update your delivery information, you need to click on the setting button which is there on the top left corner of your account. Now, what you should do if you receive a damaged or wrong item? For this, the first thing you need to do is take a picture of the item. Then you contact them through the chat support and send it across. They'll let you know what you should do next. Coming to the shipping section, for India currently there's free shipping on everything. For other regions, the estimate is provided as shown. This is another thing you should screenshot immediately. These are the hotline numbers of the courier services through which they dispatch to India. So once your order is shipped, they'll provide the courier through which they are sending. You can then contact the hotline and know the details. Coming to the most dreadful part, returns. So in their return policy, you can raise a return request only within 9 days from the date of delivery of the shipment. To see how you should raise a return request, follow the instructions on the screen. Please keep in mind that the refund will be initiated either to your original mode of payment or it will be credited to your balance. So keep checking your balance if you are not getting it in your original mode of payment. Now, what do you do if you are locked out and can't access your account? Then you need to provide the email ID you had used while registration. They will set a reset link and through that you can again access your account. That's all for today, guys. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to share it with your friends and do subscribe. See you guys soon. Bye.